Good morning. This Friday, the 1st of October, I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. It was a positive day for Australian shares yesterday with a broad rally in the final session of the quarter. The market rebounded with all 11 sectors closing higher, with consumer staples up the most and remaining strong amid news that dozens of Melbourne supermarkets are to close this weekend as thousands of staff are in COVID-19 isolation. Iron ore miners also advanced yesterday, as well as financials, with all four major banks closing higher. And after releasing a positive trading update, commercial explosives company Orica ORI made the largest gains, advancing 14.5% yesterday. Its share price followed broker upgrades from Credit Suisse, Morgan and Jefferies. Now to overseas markets, European STOXX wrapped up September in negative territory. However, the STOXX 600 closed slightly higher, up 0.2%. US equities dropped overnight, with the S&P 500 wrapping up its worst month since March 2020. It has been a tough month for equities amid rising rates, inflation fears, COVID-19, and concerns of China's property market. The S&P 500 fell 4.8%, the Dow dropped more than 500 points, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq fell 5.3%. Rising yields due to inflation concerns, as well as the Fed's signals that it will pull back on pandemic asset purchases, also weighed down on the market. Now for what to watch today locally. Well, following shares falling in New York, the SPY futures are suggesting the ASX 200 will fall 1.6% at the open. In economic news, the Markit Manufacturing PMI for September will be released this morning at 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. In case you're not sure, that's the Purchasing Managers Index, an indicator of economic trends in the manufacturing sector. Forecasts expect it to rise from 52 to 57.3. And home loan data for August will also be released today at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Now, over 60 stocks and ETFs are set to go ex-dividend today. This often sees shares fall and investors take their profits. And some of the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included CSL, after falling almost 6% this week, but closing in the green yesterday. CSL is currently a Morgan's buy. And Fortescue Metals, FMG, was another most traded stock yesterday, rising higher amid higher iron ore prices as Chinese steel mills stocked inventories before their national public holiday. However, Chinese iron ore demand remains constrained, and if you hold FMG, keep watch of it today. The company has suspended operations at its iron ore mine in Pilbara in WA after an employee has tragically died in a ground collapse. FMG is currently a Bell Potter buy. Moving to commodities, the oil price has risen almost 0.5%, trading just above $75 a barrel. News that Chinese energy companies have secured supplies for their upcoming winter saw an unexpected rise in US crude inventories. Gold is trading higher while lithium has heavily fallen, and the coal price has surged to a record high of $212 per metric amid tight supply in China as they aim for carbon neutrality. And the seaborne iron ore price is trading slightly lower at $119.65. Now let's take a look at some trading IDs. Well, Bell Potter maintained their buy rating on Coronado Global Resources, CRN, and have increased their price target from $1.20 to $1.40. Strong met coal prices and improving operational performance has flowed through to cash flow. Bell Potter says that CRN is highly leveraged in the current strength in met coal markets, which should rapidly deleverage its balance sheet and enable shareholder distribution to resume in 2022. CRN closed yesterday at $1.29, implying 8.5% share price growth in a year. And Citi has upgraded JB Hi-Fi, JBH, to a buy after positive share price performance. Citi pulled back its price target on JBH to $53, previously at $55, with an expected share price return of 19.9%. And as for some other trading ideas that could be worth a look, bullish charting signals have been identified in Resolute Mining, RSG, Orica ORI, and Crown Resorts, CWN, and that's according to Trading Central. And that is all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great Friday and happy trading.